How to unlock Cash App card. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to unlock your Cash App card. It's probable that you already have both the Cash App installed and its accompanying card. This physical card is delivered to your mailbox and enables you to utilize your Cash App balance for various transactions. Among the notable functionalities of the Cash App card is its capacity to be locked. This action serves as a protective measure, safeguarding your card in scenarios involving loss or the potential exposure of your card's confidential information. It is highly advised to activate this card lock when you are not actively using it. Let's go to the card screen. Here you'll find your card information and the convenient lock toggle. As you can see, I prefer to keep my card locked most of the time. This precaution ensures that even if I misplace my card or accidentally expose my card information, no one can access and spend my balance without authorization. To use the card, simply toggle the lock off. It will prompt a face scan, after which your card is ready for use, allowing you to spend your balance. To lock it again, just toggle the switch. This feature is truly valuable, and I believe all credit cards should incorporate such security measures to prevent potential issues. I hope you find this video informative and helpful. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to explore my other Cash App related videos for any additional questions you may have. Like if you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.